Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to talk about my next solo trip experience to Lisbon. This was the last trip I made on 2020 before Corona. Lisbon is very beautiful place. It's a Portugal hilly coastal capital city, and the houses are very beautiful. And I had a very good time in Lisbon. I made a one day trip to Lisbon. There are many important places to visit in Lisbon because the city is so beautiful. It's really admire, the people, the roads, and the streets, and the river. So beautiful. The first place I visited is 25th April Bridge. This bridge is connecting to the municipality of Almada. This is situated on the left south bank of Tagus River. Sometimes people call this as a Tagus River bridge as well. This looks like a more San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge because both are in red color. So first, this was named as Salzar Bridge, Ponte Salzar. This in the honor of Portuguese Prime Minister Antonio Oliveira Salzar. Then the revolution happened in the after the Carnation Revolution happened in April 25th. They renamed this bridge name as April 25th Bridge. So this is very catchy. One can remember the bridge name April 25th Bridge. So this was very beautiful, and people came. And this is one of the places to visit, and people come here and take pictures here. So just see the beauty of Golden Gate Bridge in Portugal, Lisbon. The next place I visited in Lisbon is Praça de Comércio. This is situated near the Tagus River. This is called a square. This square is completely remodeled after the earthquake happened in 1755. So this is one of the must visit place. This square. So people come here and take pictures, and many Indian movies shot here for the films. Recently, what I watched is Aditya Varma also shot in this, uh, you know, Portugal, Lisbon, and they covered these places and couple of places I visited that also shown in that film. Inside the square you can see people, the market happens inside the square, and people come and sell their gifts, and so a lot of people visit there to buy gifts for their loved ones. It's very beautiful, to watch the colorful gifts and the market. You can have a look the marketplace. While walking, I always observe people, what they are doing and how the houses have been built. And when I walked, I captured this beautiful picture: a lady just standing in the balcony with the natural pose, like after she dried the clothes in the sun, and she was standing in the balcony, just resting her by seeing the people on the road. So I felt it is very natural and captured this picture. So now you see the Balaam Tower. This is also located in the Tagus River. So this is exactly inside the water they have built, and you can see around the Tagus River. This is World UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1983. So a lot of people come here, tourists come here and take pictures in this Balaam Tower. Now you see the one of the important places to visit in Lisbon, which is Alfama, oldest neighborhood place. This has a lot of colorful houses, and this has great history. This names comes from the Arabic names, the hot fountains. So this district includes the Ferezes, Mughals. So a lot of you can see the Mughals touch, and a lot of Arabic touch in this area. So, but you need to walk a lot from the to visit this entire Alfama. But it's a very beautiful places to visit.